Hello and welcome back to the channel. I'm Shashank. Today we are diving deep into a topic that can literally change your life. How to start a business from scratch. Whether you're just dreaming about it or you're already tired of your 9 to 5 job and ready to make the leap, this video is designed for you. I promise by the end of this video you will have a complete roadmap, simple, practical and realistic for starting your own business even if you have no experience and very little money. Let's get started. Starting a business sounds big, it sounds scary, but the truth is every successful business you see today, whether it's Apple, Amazon or a local bakery, started the exact same way, with one person who had an idea and took the first step. You don't need to be genius, you don't need millions of dollars. You just need the right mindset, the right plan and the courage to take the small step consistently. Now, let's break this into clear, simple stages. I will walk you through each one and share real insights I have learned by studying entrepreneurs, working with business owners, and starting projects myself. Because remember, I am a sales and marketing executive and I have seen what works and what doesn't. Step 1. Start with the right mindset. Before we talk about business plans, products, websites, or social media, we need to talk about you. The first business you build isn't a coffee shop or an online store, it's your mind. You have to start thinking differently. Forget the idea that success happens overnight. Forget the idea that you will get rich quickly. Forget the idea that you will feel ready before you start. Because the truth is, you will probably feel scared. You will probably feel like an imposter and you will probably fail once or twice. And that's okay. The only difference between successful entrepreneurs and everyone else is that they keep going when things get hard. They don't give up, they learn, they adapt, they persist. You need to develop the mindset of a problem solver, not a complainer. When something goes wrong, and it will, don't think, why is this happening to me? Instead, think like, how can I fix this? What can I learn? So, ask yourself right now, am I willing to be uncomfortable? Am I willing to work harder than I have ever worked before? Am I willing to keep going when everyone around me tells me to quit? If the answer is yes, congratulations, you're already ahead of 90% of the people who only dream about but never act. Step 2. Find a real problem to solve. Businesses are not about you. They are not about your passion. They are not even about your amazing ideas. They are about solving real problems for real people. Think about it. Every successful business is a solution. Uber solves the problem of expensive, inconvenient taxes. Amazon solves the problem of limited shopping options and slow deliveries. Even a local bakery solves the problem of people wanting fresh, delicious bread nearby. So, before you even think about your brand name, your logo, or your website, you need to ask, what problem am I solving and for whom? Here's a simple exercise. Take a notebook, make 2 columns. In the first column, list every skill, hobby, or strength you have. In the second column, list every complaint or frustrations you hear people talk about. Now, start matching them. For example, if you love baking and hear people complain there is no good cake shop in your town, that's a business idea. If you are good at organizing and you hear busy parents complain they have no time, that's a business idea. Maybe a home organizing service. Solve a real problem, because if you are solving a real problem, people will happily pay you. Step 3. Validate your idea. Now that you have an idea, don't rush into building a business. First, test if anyone actually wants it. This is called validation. Here's a harsh truth. Most new businesses fail because they build something nobody really wants. Don't make that mistake. Instead, before you spend months creating a product or service, do simple validation. Talk to potential customers, ask them direct questions. Would you pay for this? How much would you pay? What would make this valuable for you? Better yet, try to sell it before it even exists. That's right. Create a simple landing page explaining your services or product. Offer a pre-order discount. If people actually give you money or even strongly commit, you know you're onto something real. If not, no problem. Adjust your idea and try again. Fail fast, learn faster. Step 4. Create a simple business plan. Now comes the planning part. You don't need 100-page complicated documents. You just need a simple, clear business plan that answers 5 questions. What problem am I solving? Who is my ideal customer? What is my product or service? How will I find and attract customers? How will I make money and cover cost? That's it. 5 questions. Be honest, be simple. You can even write it on one sheet of paper. Planning gives you clarity. It's like having a map before you start your journey. Step 5. Set up your legal and financial basics. Once you know what you're offering and to whom, it's time to set up the basics. I know paperwork sounds boring, but trust me, it's important. Depending on where you live, you might need to register your business legally. You might need a license. You'll definitely want a separate business bank account to keep your personal and business money separate. Even if you're starting very small, like selling cakes from home or offering freelance service, treat it seriously. This mindset will help you grow faster. And don't worry about hiring a lawyer right now. You can often find free resources online or government websites that explain how to register a business step by step. Step 6. Build your MVP, minimum viable product. It simply means start small, start simple. Build the most basic version of your product or service that still solves the problem. Don't waste time perfecting every little detail at first. Don't spend months building the perfect website, perfect packaging, perfect everything. Because the truth is, you don't even know yet what your customers really want. You will only learn once you start selling and getting feedback. So, get version 1 out as fast as possible. Launch it. Learn from real customers. Improve step by step. Step 7. Get your first customers. This is where it gets exciting and scary. Your first customers are the hardest to get. But once you get them, everything becomes easier. Here's the truth. You don't need thousands of customers to start. You just need a few who truly love what you offer. Focus on direct outreach at first. Tell your friends, your family, your co-workers, post on social media, go to where your ideal customers are. Online groups, local events, anywhere. Talk to them, offer value, solve their problems. Be genuine, be bold, and don't be afraid of rejections. Rejections is normal. Every no brings you closer to yes. Step 8. Build trust and deliver great value. In business, trust is everything. People don't buy from companies, they buy from people they trust. So once you get a customer, treat them like gold. Over deliver. Give them more value than they expect. Listen to their feedback. Fix problems quickly. Make them feel special. A happy customer will tell others. They will come back. They will become your best marketing. Remember, at the beginning, focus more on building relationship than making money. Money will follow trust. Step 9. Learn basic marketing skills. You can have the best product in the world, but if nobody knows about it, it doesn't matter. That's why you need to learn basic marketing. You don't need a marketing degree. You just need to understand a few simple things. Who is your ideal customer? Where do they spend their time? How can you reach them there with simple, clear message? Learn how to write simple ads. Learn how to create useful content. Learn how to tell stories. Because marketing isn't about shouting louder than everyone else. It's about connecting with the right people at the right time. And today, thanks to social media, email marketing and content marketing, you can reach thousands of people with almost no money. If you learn the basics. Step 10. Stay flexible, stay focused. Here's a secret about business that nobody tells you. Your first idea probably won't be your final idea. And that's okay. Most successful businesses pivot, they change direction based on what they learn. Airbnb started as a company renting air mattresses on living room floors. Instagram started as a location sharing app. Stay flexible, listen to your customers, watch the market, be willing to adapt. But at the same time, stay focused. Don't chase every new shiny idea. Pick a direction, commit to it, give it real effort. Step 11. Build systems, not just hustle. In early days, you will do everything yourself. You will sell, you will market, you will serve customers, you will answer emails at midnight. But over time, if you want to grow, you have to build systems. Create a simple process that can be repeated or delegated. Automate where you can. Hire help when you can afford it. Remember, hustle will get you started, systems will help you scale. Step 12. Keep growing, keep learning. Business is like life. You are never done learning. Read books, take courses, listen to podcasts, study other successful entrepreneurs. Every new skill you learn, whether it's sales, marketing, leadership, or finance, makes your business stronger. And one day, you will look back and realize the biggest growth wasn't just in your bank account, it was in you. Conclusion: the real secret of starting a business. So let's wrap it all up. Starting a business is not about having the perfect plan or the perfect idea or the perfect time. It's about starting with what you have, taking one small step, learning, adapting, persisting. It's about solving real problems for real people. It's about building trust. It's about delivering value. And most of all, it's about believing in yourself even when no one else does. If you made it this far, I want you to know you already have everything you need inside you. You just need to start. So don't wait. Don't overthink. Don't wait for permission. Take the first step today, because the world needs what you have to offer, and your future self is already thanking you. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit, share and subscribe for more real, practical advising or building your dream life and business. See you in next video. Keep dreaming, keep going, and don't give up till you achieve your goal. Thank you.